spring pasta with fresh ricotta and peas. We have fresh ricotta cheese, fresh whole milk ricotta cheese, about a cup or so per 1 pound of pasta. This is the base of our sauce, and we make that sauce pretty much in a bowl. So what we're going to do is combine the zest of one lemon, very vigorously zested by John, and we're going to cut off a lemon cheek and add a couple teaspoons of juice. About 2 teaspoons of juice, cut side up so seeds don't fall in. A little bit of white pepper or fine ground black. A little bit of salt.
White pepper looks pretty with that because it's all
Right.
white.
And it has a nice flavor with these flavors. And we're going to kind of richen this up by taking melted butter and grating in a few fat cloves of garlic. Ooh. And then we're going to swirl the garlic butter together just to mellow the garlic itself. And then we're going to add the garlic to the ricotta with lots of fresh herbs. We have thyme, mint, and parsley. Yeah, it's really delicious. It's so bright and so easy. Okay, so swirly, swirly.
Whiskey, whiskey.
Whiskey, whiskey.
Then what comes next? Pori, pori.
Pori, pori. All right, hon, pori, pori.
What, the milky,
about
milky?
A third of a cup of creamy. To the bowl. Oh my God, I'm so embarrassed. Okay, that's good. Good, good. And I'm gonna run my knife a little bit more through a handful of parsley, mint, and thyme. Could you do me a huge favor, honey?
Yes.
It's actually a really small favor. Take the lid off that pot, salt the water, and drop the regginetti. It's like little squares of lasagna. Any shortcut pasta works for this dish. You just want something that's going to grab a lot of the ricotta and the fresh peas that we're going to drop into the water after the pasta cooks about halfway. We're going to add a cup of fresh peas. And I have here some toasted pistachio nuts. Mm. All I'm saying is you might want to toast a few extra because I tend to eat them. The pasta is just perfect, AKA slightly undercooked. So now we're going to put the hot pasta back in the hot pot. And we're going to take that, it's liquid gold, really, the salty, starchy cooking water. Add a little bit to get it going. And we're going to combine that with the ricotta cream with the garlic butter and loosen this up. All of the pasta should go with all of the sauce. Nothing drives me crazier. John knows this about me. It's like a pet peeve. Like sometimes on a jar of sauce or in a recipe or in a book that somebody sends me, I'll be thumbing through it and it'll be a big bowl of naked pasta with just a blob of sauce in the middle. And like you only want a third of that to taste good? Like I don't even understand. I really just don't. Oh, this looks so good. I just want to get in there. Here's our parm. Oh, that's some good glue. Now, I'm going to take the crunchy, larger pea tendrils and throw those right in with the peas and the pasta and the ricotta mixture. And now we're going to take the pasta. Pull that out.
Looks good.
And then we're going to top it with the rest of our herbs. Some pistachios. There you go.
Yummy.